Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Kelly's bedroom makeover. We are currently at Ikea and we are going on like a little shopping binge. We have a few calyxes, which are Ikea bookcases that we need to hack, and so we're here for inspiration. Come on in and let's start the shopping session. Idea for us to kind of like DIY the mom, because right now the mom doesn't even have any handles on it, so we can easily get like leather hardware, some nails, some brackets, and then we'll give it a pretty one. This is really cute actually. Instead of the Dronos, I mean, you saw it's really flimsy. I think this is a really good idea because not only can you like reface this with another piece of material, wallpaper, bamboo, which is what our intent is, you can also paint it, which is such a cheap option. Honestly, you can even spray paint it, and that'll take like less than 5 minutes for you to do an entire shelving system.
Okay, so it looks like we're gonna get this shape for my smaller window.
And it's really clean, streamlined. Yeah, okay, let's do that. You know, I never leave Ikea without like checking out the accessories.
Okay, so go check this out. Grab this. I think this is so cute for your room. I'm looking for something light, not too dark. This is like the color scheme, but I don't really like that pattern. This one's kind of nice. And it's the size we're looking for too. We're looking for window treatments that matches the color scheme.
So we kind of pulled all of our favorites here, okay? We're looking for blackout drapery that's kind of in your like tonal palette. This is pretty, a little bit too silver.
Yeah.
It's linen, but this is see-through. This one is too long. This one's blackout, totally blackout. It's like a tan taupe-ish color, which is totally in line with our color palette. What do you think about this?
This could be an option, but I still want to look for more.
Why?
I would want it to be textured, like something like this, but blackout, or this.
Okay.
But the thing about this one is, I don't really like this.
This is pretty. I mean, really, you can just take these buttons out, Kel.
Oh.
We can just cut these buttons out, and then they're still blackout. They give you the texture you like, and you still have that same look. It's really streamlined, and it's DKNY, and it's $40 for 2 panels. I mean, what do you think? Can you imagine that not being there?
Yeah, I think it'll look a lot better.
Okay, you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Cool, let's do this.
So, we just found the sales section. I really like the texture of this, and it's only 18 bucks. So I'm gonna get this one instead of this one.
We're shopping for quilts right now for Kelly's bedspread, and you know, as you can see, the entire room is so white. So I actually want to bring a little bit of that boho vibe in here. I love this quilt. It's a little expensive though, it's $40. So we're gonna try to look for something a little Oh, this is cute. We're deciding between these two. You've got $40 and you have $25. Okay, so what's your contention?
I like this one more, but I'm just worried about the price comparison to this one. since we are on a budget.
I mean, we definitely are on a budget, but at least you get 2 extra pillowcases in here, which you can swap out. I mean, that just means that you don't buy one extra throw pillow and then maybe make something yourself instead. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that.
Okay, let's do that. I like that, Kel. That's cute.
Yeah.
It's got that kind of creamy texture, and this kind of matches your vibe. It's boho look. I mean, this is cute too, but I don't like the graphic.
Yeah.
I just think this is a little bit, you know, it's really clean, it's really chic, and just like one on the bed. That's really cute. You like this? Let me see how much. $20. Pretty cheap. Let's go.
We're on our way to Home Depot. We have all this stuff in the back, getting ready to paint tomorrow. But we still need one bucket of paint, tray liners, and we're gonna look around to see if we need anything else. So we're here getting some paint, and this is the one I'm getting because I already have one at home. So I took a picture of it to check if it's the same one, and we just need one more since I have a full one at home. So a lot of these things Julie already has at home. We just need to get 4 of these liners and then I think we're good.
Basically, we're here because we went over budget. You know, Kelly and I originally had a budget of $500 to make over this entire bedroom. That includes like paint, supplies, new accessories, new bedding, all that stuff. You guys remember that we bought that quilt that was $40 from Homegoods before, and now we're just over budget. So we're gonna return that and look for something cheaper. So let's see what we find here. That's it for our 2-day crazy shopping session. You know, we're trying to make over this bedroom for under $500. That was the budget we kind of gave ourselves. That includes paint, supplies, art, accessories, bedding, window treatments, I mean the works. So in the next video, you'll see all the crazy DIY action happening. We'll show you step by step how to hack existing Ikea furniture. We'll be upcycling old pieces. Kelly will be doing her DIY magic on some wall art. So I hope that you liked this shopping video, and I hope you learned a little bit about how to shop for a budget makeover. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my new channel, and absolutely follow along our series as we give Kelly this amazing bedroom budget makeover. See you in the next video.